Today, we're looking at self-hosted Beszel, a lightweight server monitoring platform that's ideal for small businesses that run cloud servers or on-prem machines and want visibility without a heavy monitoring stack. For example, imagine a small web agency hosting client sites in Docker. You want to know if a container is slowly eating memory, if disk is getting tight, or if bandwidth spikes are happening at peak times. Beszel gives you a clear dashboard with history and alerts, so you can catch issues before a client notices. On screen is the Beszel Hub, the web interface where you manage everything. The hub is where users log in, view dashboards, and connect systems. In Beszel, each monitored machine runs a small agent that reports metrics back to the hub. Let's add a new system and set up an agent for a Docker deployment. From the hub, I'm going to the Systems area and choosing to add a system. I'll give it a name, like Demo, so it's easy to recognize later when alerts come in. Now Beszel shows the agent setup details. This is the key part. The hub provides the connection information and an enrollment token, so the agent can securely register to this hub. Since this machine runs Docker, I'll use the Docker Compose-based agent deployment. I'm copying the provided Compose file from the hub. This includes the hub URL and the token so the agent knows where to send metrics. Over on the server, I create a stack in Portainer using the Beszel agent Docker Compose. The container starts up, and within a few seconds, the agent should check in. Back in the Beszel hub, I refresh the system view. There it is. The system is now connected, and we're already seeing live status. Now let's look at what we get for a Docker host. In the Docker Stats section, Beszel lists containers and tracks CPU, memory, and network usage over time. This history is what helps in real situations, like proving that a container started consuming more memory after a deployment, or spotting a daily traffic pattern that matches a scheduled job. Next, let's set up an alert, because that's where monitoring becomes actionable. I'm opening the alerts for this system and creating a new rule. A common one for small teams is memory or disk. I'll set a memory alert so if usage stays above a threshold for a period of time, Beszel notifies us. You can also alert on CPU, disk, bandwidth, temperature, load average, and even status changes. If you have multiple team members, Beszel supports multi-user access. Each user can manage their own systems. And for authentication, Beszel supports OAuth and OIDC, so you can connect it to an identity provider and even disable password logins if you want. Finally, because monitoring data matters, Beszel includes automatic backups. You can save and restore to local disk or S3-compatible storage, which is great if you're running the hub alongside your other business services. Beszel runs on a Pocket-based backend, so there is a fully accessible API for any integrations too. That's the core workflow. Install the Beszel Hub, enroll an agent on your Docker server, confirm metrics are flowing, and add alerts so you hear about problems early. Learn how Formable can help you manage and integrate Beszel with other self-hosted solutions on our website at formable.app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.